Okay, here's a Ducky Shine 3 I just got from NCIX. And let's open her up. Little smash here, but no big deal. There we go. Okay. Paper. Serviceable padding. Box came okay. Ducky Shine 3. Put that over here for now. Get rid of this. Here it is. Made in Taiwan. USB. Tabs. Double boxed. Oh, these aren't shut. Instructions. Nice. That's kind of cool. There it is. They feel a little stiffer than my Ducky Zero for some reason. Even though they should be both be Cherry MX Blue. This thing is awfully small. Should work out nice. USB connector, cable can route. Little channels, they can either go out the front or on the sides. Dip switch bank. Not bad. And what else we got here? Weird that's so damaged. Here's the USB cable. I don't like how it's detached. I don't get the point. Gaming keycaps and a keycap puller. Trying to open this thing here. Hang on. There we go. There it is. Never used one like this before. So let's see. Put it there. Comes off. LED. This is red LED. Cherry MX Blue. Let's see how these other keycaps work. Get out of there. Should have got a tripod for this. Alright. I don't think that's on quite right. Weird. Still don't think it's on quite right. Maybe I'm just being too nervous about it. What the heck? These must be a different size or something. They feel different. Where's my original one now? Oh well. But it looks like that's all you get. Should be fine enough, assuming it all works. So yeah, that's the Ducky Shine 3 Red LED unboxing.